Great question, and let me be very clear on this. So the NATO force model, and let me say this again, is a planning tool. It's a planning tool. So what the US has said, and we knew this was coming because the US has to take care of multiple theaters. They cannot spread their resources too thinly. So what the US has announced already before is that they had to lower somewhat their contribution to the NATO force model. The question yesterday came up, is this immediate or not? It is immediate. However, why I'm a little bit reluctant to say this is because it is a planning tool. So what would happen in reality? If war would break out, let's assume that an Article 5 situation would emerge, then all allies, including the US, will max out what they can do to make sure we can fight the war. So as a planning tool, we have to consider the fact that the US is lowering its contribution, still considerable, but somewhat lower than it was in the past. What you there see is that the Europeans are now backfilling it. Some of this is already done. Some of this is in the progress. We are working on that. And of course, we still have work to do on other issues. But we are really in a good place there. Sorry.
Did you discuss with President Zelensky?